This caramel recipe is made by heating sugar and it can be used in a variety of desserts as a flavoring. So let's see how to make it. I'm using 1 cup of sugar, 1/3 cup of water, and I'm also adding some lemon juice to prevent crystallization of the sugar. On medium flame, I'm letting the sugar dissolve completely in the water. At this stage, I'm not going to stir anything. Slowly the color of the sugar will change, first a light brown, then followed by a dark brown. And at this stage, I'm going to add 1 cup of fresh cream in it. And I'm going to mix it properly. And I'm also adding a pinch of salt. I'm adding 2 tablespoons of butter, but this ingredient is optional. And the caramel is ready. It can be used as a flavoring in puddings or as toppings for ice creams and custard. If you like this video, please like, share, comment and subscribe.